How to use AI to generate video content for free, a step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of AI-powered video creation. Forget expensive software and complicated editing, we are going to show you how to generate amazing video content completely free. AI is changing the game for content creators, marketers, and educators alike. It's now easier than ever to produce engaging videos without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First, you'll need to pick an AI video generator. Several free options are available online, each with its strengths. Do some research and find one that fits your needs. Some popular choices include Picti, Synthesia, and Lumen 5, all offering free trials or limited free plans. Explore their features and see which one feels most intuitive for you. Once you've chosen your AI tool, it's time to feed it your content. Most platforms allow you to input a script, blog post, or even just a general idea. The AI will then analyze your text and suggest relevant visuals. Be as clear and concise as possible with your input. The better the information you provide, the better the AI-generated video will be. Now comes the fun part, a customization. Most AI video generators offer a range of options to personalize your video. You can choose different templates, fonts, colors, and music. Experiment with different styles to find the perfect look and feel for your video. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best. To make your video even more engaging, consider adding a voiceover. Some AI platforms offer built-in text-to-speech capabilities, allowing you to create a professional-sounding narration. Alternatively, you can record your voiceover for a more personal touch. Just make sure your audio is clear and easy to understand. Before you finalize your video, take some time to review it carefully. Check for any errors or areas that need improvement. Make sure the visuals align with your script and that the audio is clear. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it. Choose the appropriate resolution and format for your intended platform. Congratulations, you've created a video with AI. AI video generation is a powerful tool that can help you create amazing content quickly and easily. By following these steps, you can unlock your creative potential and reach a wider audience. So go ahead, experiment with different AI platforms and see what you can create. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and happy creating! If you love learning through AI-powered education, exploring cutting-edge tech, and discovering the world through animation, you're in the perfect place. White right pointing backhand index, hit subscribe and join the Fortress AI Edu family, where curiosity sparks creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Your ideas might just inspire our next video.